if you are the kind of person you like to research on different things to find out, playing Google and getting the answers, you can get up to $2,000 per month for just researching Google and giving answers to this website that I'm gonna talk about today. Sounds good? This is what I'm gonna talk to you about today, about a website that's gonna pay you and me about getting answers for them on different hot topics that they're really concerned. We submit our answers, and based on our feedback, we're gonna get paid. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, if you just landed on my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, guys. If you already on my channel, you haven't clicked, make sure you click it, because I want you to be part of my channel. You're gonna get some good, valuable information on making passive, free income on your daily, monthly status. And also make sure you click the bell notification next to it so you can receive my notification when videos are coming out every single day just for you. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. My website I'm gonna show you, my tested way I'm gonna show you today is called AskWonder.com. Yeah, you can get the link below for this website on the description. And what is this website does, guys, as the name says, Ask and Wonder. They want to hire people like you and me to do fast research and deliver the results on very hot topics for them. So just a quick turnaround, fast turnaround. We work while you sleep, combine quality with speed in a proprietary process to get you what you need pronto. Unlimited scale, 6,000 analysts available at the push of a button. We enable massive scale for the most challenging sizable projects. Hassle-free, you ask, we take care of the rest. We assemble an A team on the fly, so you don't have to find, train, or manage anyone. So what these people do, companies, which I'm gonna show you which companies, very big brands are using these sites, hire them, hire AskWonder.com, so they can get feedback and results on some topics that are really hot for them, and they come Ask Wonder, they come and they push these questions and projects to us, that we are analysts, and we do the research, we submit the feedback, and they get back fast result. So you can see here you have amazing big brands behind this website, like Deloitte, HP, Bloomberg, Dell, Johnson & Johnson, PwC, big brands, guys. Just by these brands here listed here, you can see that this is a very legit and nice site. So how this is work? Complicated, simple. We did all. We will gather for these people data, statistics, leads, spreadsheets, insights, and trends. And based on the project, we will be able to do various tasks. Now, what you need to do, guys, in order to be able to become an analyst, you will click here. You will fill your information. They will send you a quick test. It takes about 20 minutes to complete. You will complete and submit the test, and then once they review everything, they will come back with an answer if you are able to become an analyst for them. So make sure when you complete the test that you put some effort and you give some good valuable feedback. Yeah, so it's like an interview, so make sure you do your best on an interview that you're gonna do. So you are able to join the community by completing this information here, and they claim to pay an approximate 2,000 USD per month based on the amount of research and project you're gonna receive and complete. So two minus about this one is that maybe it's not eligible for all countries, because I tried to check, it's not eligible for all countries. But not at this moment, maybe, so you can stay tuned and see. And even if it's eligible for you, maybe you don't have enough projects for your country or area, because these guys, they paying and assign the projects based on the companies they had them. So the companies right now, maybe they're located in Asia, and they may in Europe, in US, it depends. So it's up to them. They're gonna get the projects and they're gonna send it out to the analyst. So it's nothing for you to register and stay tuned, instead of not registered and not able to get the feedback and notification when these projects are released. So In case, guys, this is something you would like to do, if you like playing with Google and getting feedback, very easy, nice way behind your screen. Nobody will bother you. Your free hours, you can do this. Give it a shot and see how it goes. If it's not available, if it's not something for you, it's not working, and if you want to make some good money, easy, fast, with proof, click my #1 recommendation as always, guys. Click my #1 way to make money online. Free video with proof. Passive money comes in all the time, and it's gonna help you a lot with your daily life. So this is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you enjoy the content of this video. Make sure you click the thumbs up if you did. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy your day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.